She tahu she doesn't matter where you are, 'cause I'll be there. Doesn't matter where you are in this world. Kung jalur ko kailan dito.
Got issues, man. You gotta do something about that. You talking about me like you fucking know me, man. Like, it's funny, man. I go to sleep and I laugh at it. Don't even bother me no more. Yeah, like, listen.
It's times like these where I feel regret. When I gotta work for this work, this check, they don't pay for shit. I never finished school, what do you expect? Me to be cool? Yes? No? I don't think so. Go back to school to tell me. But what if I start drowning? Are you gonna be there to bail me? I don't think so. So please save the talk for some
Time to walk away when you used to.
It's down to us two. Don't let them get the best of us. I got you, and even if they step to us, there's one truth: they're never gonna take us souls. And where would we be if you ain't ever speak to me? Now you keep taking every step with me. With this love, we'll never let them take control. I was crushed to the ground till you reached down and found me. You saved me from all of myself. So tonight,
DJ
Sometimes out my window, I noticed that you've been crying over him, and I wonder why you just don't look into the curve instead of giving in. You see,
I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I said quietly, agreed politely. I guess that I forgot I had a choice. I let you push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing, so I fell for everything. You held me down, but I got up, already brushing off the dust. You hear my voice, you hear that sound, like thunder gonna shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up.
hey baby, when we are together, doing things that we love, every time you're near, I feel like I'm in heaven, feeling high. I don't want to let go, girl. I just need you to know, girl. I don't wanna run away, baby. You're the one I need tonight. No promises, baby. Now I need to hold you tight. I just wanna die in your arms here tonight. Hey baby, when we are together, doing things. Let me on a little love. Let me on a little love. Let me on a little love.
I was like, hey little mama, love the way you walking. Can you come and talk to me? Got every guy going crazy, calling you their baby, but they don't eventually. That's why you're looking my way. I think you like what you see. Ain't got no time to
I don't think I can handle this. I've never felt like this. Can you catch my drift?